Hello friends. As we all know, JioMart has started serving its customers via WhatsApp. So let's check out the process of ordering groceries from JioMart on WhatsApp. Firstly, save JioMart's WhatsApp number. It's 885 000 8000 on your phone. I have already saved this number, so now let's move to WhatsApp. Then, send a hi message to this number. You will get an auto reply asking for your PIN code. So enter your area PIN code. If JioMart serves in your area, then a link where you can order your items will be generated. Else, it will notify you once it starts servicing in your area. The order link is valid for 30 minutes only. So if the link gets expired, then send a hi message again to generate a new link. This link will open a form where you need to provide your address and other important details so JioMart can ease your ordering process. Enter your mobile number. Select your area and your locality. Then enter your flat or house number. Mention your society name. Finally, input your full name. Tick on the checkbox Receive update on WhatsApp so that you can track your order via WhatsApp. Now, a list of all the available products will appear. Select your required items with the desired quantity and click on Place Order. Your order is now placed. You will receive a WhatsApp message from JioMart confirming your order. This message contains a PDF file containing your order details and the location of the nearby JioMart Kirana merchant. Once your order is ready, you will be notified via WhatsApp. You can then pick up your order from the Kirana shop and pay there itself. Or your order will be home delivered if order delivery service is available in your area. JioMart says that within 2 days your order will be satisfied. But mostly, you get your ordered items within a day. That's all folks. If you want to enjoy discount offers plus cashback deals on your JioMart purchase, then visit Zingoy. It's your cash. Take it back. Thank you.